Hi, I'm Aileen and I'm a content creator and entrepreneur at Lavendaire. I create content and resources on personal growth and lifestyle design, sharing knowledge and inspiration on how to create your dream life. I believe that each of us is an artist of life, having the power to create a life we love. The motto, life is an art, make it your masterpiece. I started Lavendaire in 2014 as an outlet to share all the lessons I was learning as I was figuring out how to create a life I love. I spent my early 20s feeling really lost in life. After graduating from college, I decided not to take a corporate job and stable path, and instead spent a few years exploring different creative paths like music, acting, and events. I began using Adobe Premiere Pro around the time I started Lavendaire. It was at that time that I decided to go pro with this path, which meant investing in myself, investing in the right camera equipment and editing software. I told myself that if I was going to be a pro video creator, then I should learn how to use the program that professionals use. By making that investment in myself, I stepped into the person I was aspiring to be and brought that reality one step closer. It was a leap of faith where I had to believe in myself first before anyone else believed in me. I love creating videos because it blends so many aspects: visuals, audio, writing, graphics, and creative vision. It's the medium that feels the most alive, the most real and authentic. Plus, you get to be so creative with it. Not only do I get to shoot beautiful, dreamy shots, which I love, but I also get to use my music background to create beautiful voiceovers and music. And beneath the pretty surface are the deep lessons and wisdom that I'm so passionate about sharing. Through Lavendaire, I hope to empower more people to recognize their power to create a life that's beautiful and meaningful to them, to dare to dream and make that dream their reality. Because when people light up, it inspires the people around them to light up as well, and collectively, we can shape a brighter world together.